Hello everyone. I just want to say happy Easter. Yes, it's a crappy day out today. The sun's not shining. We have Rachel here with us. With me. We are on our way to pick up stuff from Walmart. So instead of going in, we're doing a pickup. It's to stay away from people. So we did an order online, but I think it's safer. So yeah, we're on our way, and I have a few things to share today. It'll be a little bit of everything to say happy Easter, friend meal. I got my kitty, and then I got two mourning doves. So I will edit this all in and show you. So it's a little bit of everything. But most all, happy Easter. Have a blessed day. Mwah. You want to say anything?
Mwah! Happy Easter!
Hello everyone, it's me. I'm here today to tell you that I got friend mail. Yes, I got friend mail. And today I got, well, actually it was the other day, I got a card from Jessica, from J Dub Blogs. And it's been sitting here, and I've been kind of lazy to get on camera to let y'all know. So this is the card. It says, "Stop kidding yourself. I hide things in the yard all the time and nobody comes looking for it." And it's a little bunny with a little puppy. Isn't that cute? Very cute. And inside it says, "Hope you find lots of fun this Easter. Happy Easter, Chrissy. Love, Jessica and family." That is very sweet. And she gave us this pin. And it's for colon cancer. Very pretty. Thank you so much, Jessica. I really appreciate it. It was very thoughtful of you. And hopefully you and your family have a blessed Easter this year. I know there's not much to do. It's hard because you can't be around family, have a nice Easter dinner and stuff like that, but you gotta take it as it is, I guess. All right. Thanks again. Clarity is fluffing her bed. Or is it arm work? Must be arm day today. Clarity, is it not fluffy enough for you? Clarity. Hello, Clarity.
She's fluffing her bed.
It's arm day today.
It's arm day?
Yes, she's working on her
It's arms.
muscles.
Oh, yeah. Sun's out, the gun's out.
Sun's out, the gun's out. That's right. We have birds in the garage. Oh, look at them. They want to make a nest. What do you think? This one's going to come at me.